What's today?
Cleanup day. Trash cleanup day, baby. Trash cleanup. Okay, we got dusty, guys. Y'all, we got real dusty, but it was worth every minute. It was very labor intensive, and we worked our butts off. And I want to thank my son-in-law, Ernie, for helping me on that. We filled an entire truck up with trash. But I'm so excited to show you now what we have. So let's go. So we have, if y'all remember, there was a big pile of trash right there. There was a trash pile out almost 20 feet that way. We have cleaned all of that up, everything around it, and we have went back and set up some of our equipment. We moved in a new vacuum system that we can actually pipe, and you'll see some of those pipes. We set up a second table saw here only because we do a lot of dadoing now, and I get tired of changing back and forth dado blades. So we'll leave this one set up. That one will be our regular rip saw and our standard saw. And plus, this is my father's saw, so I can't get rid of it. We set up a router table here with a stop feeder. All of this is cleaned up. We're going to do a little bit of rearrangement over there, but we'll show you that later. With that equipment will be set up there. We're going to move that beautiful truck back over there. We got our edge sanders piped in with dust, the bandsaw, and then, of course, the miter box we moved over to there. We still got to finish up the box for the dust box for the miter box and hook up the edge bander to the vacuum. But other than that, we're there. I am so glad that y'all came with me on this ride. And now we'll get to produce some fun products, some products that we're passionate about, and we have a clean workspace, which is very cool. That's very exciting for me. So I want to say thanks again. If you love what you see, please subscribe, and peace.